welcome to this demo video of change customer in validated sales order. So the purpose of this module, as the name goes, is to change this customer and invoice address or delivery address inside the validated sales order here. So before we proceed to demonstrate that, I would like to introduce you scenario where we would like to change this three customer here. I have two delivery out here, and I have two invoice which is each invoice has its own payment, so it has two payment in this invoice, and another invoice has also another payment. So this module will try to change everything that linked to this sales order here. And at the very first thing, you need to make sure that you have already installed this module, which has the name of change customer, like this. Make sure it's installed like this, and by default, after you install this, you cannot change this free field here because the module are prohibiting basic user which has no privilege to change this customer and addresses. So what you should do is go to settings and let that user you choose to be able to change by giving it privilege here. For example, I would like to give this Altela administrator here with the privilege by scrolling down and check this change customer and sales order here. And after we save that, now if we refresh this page, now we will be able to edit these fields here. And now before we begin, I would like to show you that this will also change the accounting records here. As we see here, we have a partner ledger with Builders and Co, and after this demonstration this will change to something else. So let's say we want to change this Builder and Co with another customer. Let's say we want to create a new customer with the name of Green Screen Limited, for example here. Now all of this will be changed, and once you're done, you can click save. Now if we go to every records that we previously goes, this contact or partner is already changed automatically. And if we go to invoice, it's also changed. And if we go to journal entry, you see we have still have the another record of Builders and Co. So now if we duplicate this, I just want to see the difference here. You see that everything is already changed to Green Screen Limited. So that's if you change from this customer field, it will apply to every name of the customer or record that related to this sales order. And if you independently change this, for example, we want to change to another thing. Let's say we call this green lights company. See, we are creating a new one, and if we save, the delivery will not be changed. It's still the green screen. And since we are only changing the invoice, this invoice will be changed to Green Lights Company as shown here. And also the payment is also changed to Green Lights Company. If we refresh this one, we will see that the invoices with 2022 and this number here, you see it's already changed to Green Lights Company. And if you also change the delivery address independently, let's say the freight company, say you notice that we create a new company here and we save that. Now the delivery will be changed to the freight, and also the journal entries that related to the pickings is also changed to the new company name as shown here. And now if we go to invoice, it will not be changed to the freight because it's still using the old one. So this field can be changed independently. Unless you change it from this customer, it will be change everything, every related um, rec record that related to this sales order. So now for the good part, this can be done through your historical. Let's say if you create something that wrong or putting the wrong customer, you can use this module to fix that wrong customer. And if we check by seeing a duplicate, you see that we have a green lights company and builders co company as we shown here for the partner ledger, of course. And this also will be also applied to another accounting report because we basically changing the um, journal entry. So if you see in the general ledger here, it will also change and will track every changes that you have made for every account, because basically we change the journal entry. So everything will be changed here. You see we have green lights company in the bank because we're changing the invoicing. We have the freight here because we already changed the delivery addresses which link to this stock journal entry here. And we have another link to each one based on this journal entry records. You see the difference here. We have this is the previous first one, and if we refresh, the stock journal goes to the freight and the invoice goes to green lights. And that's it. I hope this module helpful for you, and thank you.